Want to deep clean your mattress and beddings? Try mo na rin itong Deerma Mite Vacuum Cleaner. If lagi ka nangangati o sinusumpong ng allergy, baka dahil na yan sa dust mites. Dahil minsan yung akala nating malinis na, hindi pa pala. This has UV light net mite which UV ray removal has 99.9% erase rate and releases 50 degrees Celsius hot air which can penetrate deep into the mattress kaya effective in exterminating mites and their worm eggs. And dahil may high frequency vibration na to na 8,000 beats per minute and strong suction power na 13,000 Pascal, no matter how deep the mites are hidden, matatanggal talaga sila kasama na lahat ng dumi. Madali lang i-operate at mahaba na rin ang cord kaya hassle-free gamitin. Sobrang comfy pahawakan at hindi nakakangalay since ergonomic na rin yung bionic fish handle design. Very safe din since UV is only activated kapag may pressure sa sensor wheels or while ginaglide ito sa surfaces. This can also be used in cleaning beds, sofas, pillows, blankets, stuffed toys, and any upholstery. So avail na rin kayo to protect your family from dust mites. Link in the yellow basket.